How to install and download iQIYI application on Android. So if you want to download and install the iQIYI application, then first you need to check your internet connection, and then you can simply tap on the Play Store or open up your Play Store. Once you've opened, go for the search and then search for iQIYI. IQ, and once you've searched here, you will have the application. So if you want to download and install this application, simply tap on install, and once you've tapped on the install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application, but once it's downloaded, you can tap on open, which is on the right side, and once you tap on it open, it will take you to the application where you can register or log into your account, and you can watch all of the series or dramas or anything. So that's how you can install and download the iQIYI application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.